Hi, I'll be showing you how to use the Lucid Chart Docs add-on today. This is like a wonderful tool that can really help enhance your teaching experience or the student's experience for learning. You can use this to add charts to your assignments to help students understand their assignments better, or also just to give them more resources, or even to help students to be able to put down their knowledge in a chart format and then put that straight into their homework assignments and share that with you electronically, instead of spending a ton of time drawing it. And it's really helpful. So just make sure first of all that you have the add-on installed. If you don't know how to do that, just click this Get Add-ons button and make sure you go and do everything you need to get that ready. But then as soon as you have it installed, just click this Add-ons button right here and then click Lucid Chart Diagrams and then just click Insert Diagram. It's really simple. It'll take a second to work there, but as soon as it's up, then you can just go ahead and click into My Diagrams folder, assuming you've saved the chart already. I'll show you an example with a school organization, and you see there you can preview it if you'd like, but I already know I want this one, so I'm going to click Insert. And this is just an example of how to organize teachers and show the layout of a school hierarchy here. And so you just go ahead and insert it, and that's it. And there's even a link to the Lucid chart itself. So that's how you insert a Lucid chart into a Google Doc via the Lucid Chart Google Docs add-on.